bottle, son. Hey, hey. Give me a load, I ain't coming back. I make them shoot where your stomach at. We gon' pull up where your mama at. Running through hoes like a running back. We can fuck, but you can't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayla if you do not know, and welcome to Love Always Jayla. I'm not even gonna say, as you guys see by the thumbnail and title like I do every video, because I really don't know what this video is gonna be. I just picked up the camera just to pick it up. Well, not really. I picked it up because I'm getting my hair done today. So I know y'all see I have my school clothes on, my lanyard and everything. Today is Friday, August 22nd. I just came home from school at like 4. I got off the bus like 4:30, and it's currently 5:36 right now. And my hair appointment is at 7:30. I'm like, why not vlog it? Because I need to get in my active era. Because y'all, I know I was not active at all. Like 7th grade was just not my year. When I say it was not my year, it was not my year. But I'm finna like turn that around, and I'm finna be active for y'all. But yeah, like I said, it's currently like 5:37 now. And I got my hair done at 7:30. I'm gonna wash my hair like 6:30 because as y'all know, as y'all can see, I look a mess right now. I just have a ponytail in, my ponytail in. Just a mess, a hot mess. But y'all, look at my lashes. Like y'all probably really can't even tell. Like I look a mess. They like, it's like a whole bunch of lashes. So I am gonna do that. Actually, I'm gonna do that after I wash my hair. I was gonna do it like water's all gonna get all in my face, and it's gonna be. No, so that's a bad idea. I was about to do it, but I'm not. Now, I do want to show off my closet, y'all. I do have a new setting, but I just didn't do it yet. But y'all, it do look kind of mess. It do kind of look a mess. It don't look as good as it did like when the first time I did it. But it's gonna probably straight up my closet in this vlog too. So I really don't know. We're just going with the flow. But yeah, I'll catch y'all whenever I catch y'all. Probably at my hair appointment or after I'm done washing my hair and everything. So yeah.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall.
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Can I have a medium iced rose water with lime?
You want to do that with the energy, the lemonade, the tea, the soda? Tea?
Soda.
Soda, okay.
Soda? That's just water, right?
It's carbonated water.
It's just water with both.
Oh, so the energy.
Good. You want to do what you
Energy.
Energy? Okay. You want to do the original one or the zero sugar one?
Energy. The original.
Yeah.
The regular? Okay. And with that iced or frozen?
Ice. Oh, both of these. Ice.
Okay. And medium or large?
Medium.
Awesome. Total is $14. What's the camera for you? Videoing something? Or?
She like vlogs.
YouTube. Okay, that's cool. Like day in the life or like what kind of stuff?
Like lifestyle and like beauty and stuff.
That's cool. You got a lot of subscribers, she's still growing.
She's still growing.
That's cool.
They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want.
I think that's so cute.
Okay. Y'all, this is my stylist. I'm for her.
Hi guys.
I'm gonna show y'all the hairstyle. Well, I'm just gonna let y'all see when I'm done. I'm not gonna show y'all the hairstyle. But yeah, we're finished on our first braid. Okay, so I'll come back to y'all when she's on my edges or something.
Continue. So yeah, guys, we're on the last braid. Stay tuned. So we're just putting some foam, you guys. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Stay tuned for the final look.
Yep. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home from my hair appointment. This is how I look.
Oh yeah, she iced my shit again.
That's just for straight wrap braids with the zigzag parts. But we went to Wendy's and I got the Wednesday out of meal. It's not nothing really special for them. It's just 10-piece chicken nugget meal with fries. But it has this mystery sauce. I already tried it. It's kind of spicy, but I want to try this with y'all. It's like a what's it called? A Frosty. they didn't even give me a straw.
It's right here.
Oh, yes they did.
And they put something else in there, and it's a spoon.
Oh,
It's called the spoon of glue. It's upside down.
Oh, it is? Okay, solid. I'm gonna eat it with a spoon. It was purple. Let's get it. Look, y'all. It's good.
The strawberry fruit.
Yeah. It don't taste like strawberry. It tastes like raspberry.
It kind of looks like raspberry.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat my regular sweet and sour sauce. But I'll come back to y'all after I'm done eating, cause yeah.
Only because you ain't here. Living in the air, dripping everywhere. Living in the air, dripping everywhere. Got that blue fever, cold as ice till you get near. You got that blue fever, cold as ice till you get near. Long as you're true leader, and not obliged, promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason, and I decide to go out swinging. Living in the air, my cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm always, I don't even care as long as you're laying in my bed. I'm cold.
Hey y'all. Make sure y'all can see the balloon. Ooh, my camera getting foggy. Now it's like currently 8:05 and I have to go for the bus. But I just felt like vlogging while I walk to the bus. But this is what I have on. Why does my camera keep getting foggy? Like, oh my god. Really, I took the long way. Y'all, what? It just don't, like, it just want to keep getting foggy. Hey y'all, so it's the next day from the last time I talked to y'all. I talked to y'all like yesterday. I don't even know where I ended the vlog at, but yeah, I had talked to y'all yesterday. And today I had went to Target, y'all. And I was recording, ready to record and everything. Why I get there and I have no storage on the camera? I didn't even feel like emptying out the storage. Like, when I got there, I was just like, I'm just gonna do a haul when I get home. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking of y'all haul up of everything I got that's from Target. So yeah, why not? Okay, so I got this like cute Hello Kitty top. Really, really, really cute. Y'all know I love Hello Kitty. I got Hello Kitty on right now. But I got this Hello Kitty top on. I mean Hello Kitty top. I got this Hello Kitty top. I said Hello Kitty top on. Then I have like the matching pants to go with them. Those are cow print, like, you know, because the cow print and the Hello Kitty. The matching top to go with them. Matching top to go with it. It's real cute. I just got me some TheraBreath. What's it called? TheraBreath mouthwash, because I need some mouthwash. Because I like Listerine, but it's just like, no, I didn't want no more Listerine. So I just got me some TheraBreath mouthwash. Then I just got me some vanilla sugar scrub, because this is the best like scent. I love the scent. It smells so good. I love vanilla scents. Hold on. It smells so good to me. But yeah, I got that. Then I just got some more razors because I had ran out and I needed some, so I just got some more. Well, I really didn't run out. I really don't know where razor went out. I had a little one where you like change it in and out and stuff like that. I don't know where it's at, so I just got them. But yeah, I just want to show y'all what I got from Target. So yeah, I'll see y'all whenever I see y'all.
This shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. No, you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the flash, and the cheesecake up. Niggas gotta move on my release day, Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib.
I got you on my mood board. I wanna live in your skin.
Hey y'all, it's later in the day from when I last talked to y'all on the outlet. I'm currently getting ready to go to a birthday party. Well, not really a party, but like, you know, go to my cousin's birthday. Well, I can see those in the first birthday. And I'm going. So let me set the camera up and show y'all what I have on. It didn't want to copyright on my bed, but what I have on is this pink Telfar white bodysuit and this skirt with my Kurt Geigers. Y'all know I wear my Kurt Geigers for everything. Y'all, my eyes look so bald. Like, I feel like I just look so, like, my eyes just look so weird. But it's good. Because I took off my lashes already, but yeah, so I talk to y'all when I'm, like, with him or something. Yeah.
Why are you turning it down?
I like this.
Yay.
Wait, is it on?
Yes, it's
Wait, no, redo it. Wait, y'all, hold on. Okay, hey, y'all. So, y'all, it's my birthday. I got bad grades, so I couldn't go to Miami or nothing or do anything. So,
You're embarrassed.
what? So, I'm going to get my I'm going to pick up my aloe set. Then we're gonna go to Palm Beach Gardens Mall to get something. And then what time is it?
Then the Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah, the Cheesecake Factory at like 8, and then Top Golf. I really didn't even want to do Top Golf. I wanted to do, y'all know them photo shoots. Oh my god. Y'all know them golf photo shoots. Y'all know the Big Six. Hold on, let me show y'all. Oh, that's so quiet.
Bro, I need to change his name.
Wait. Kita, huh? No. No. Look. Look. I don't know if it's gonna focus. But look, these are cute. I like these golf photo shoots. And I be sending it all over my TikTok For You page. But they cute. But I can't do it now. But yeah, we going to Top Golf.
Yeah, up here, thank God. Hello, Mia Louis B. Yeah, hello. Hello. Hello.
Wait, hold.
Hey guys, welcome.
Hi, the quarter zip jacket.
Which one?
The
This is tea, excuse me.
This one.
But this is so tea. Like, this is so tea. Like the shorts.
What's your name?
Where is... Do they have gray?
I think that style's actually over there.
Like this? You like this?
Yep. This is tea, y'all. I have to get it. I have to. Where's the gray though? Gray's kind of cute.
The men's section is going to be in this back.
So cute. This is so cute.
Okay, y'all, so we made it to the Cheesecake Factory. I don't even know what I'm getting. We like literally ran here. But like, I'm gonna see what I'm getting. I think I'm gonna get like what I had last time. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get what I had last time, which is like a bacon burger or something. So, yeah. I think the rest of all, I'm like vlogging on my phone until this SD card come out. It's on 1 minute. Can y'all hear me? I wonder can y'all hear me? Oh no, I'm gonna
I got my aloe right now.
What? I'm gonna go.
Y'all that'll show you what we posted.
No, I'm gonna add it. Send it to my phone. I'm gonna add it in the video. Send it to me. Yeah. I'm gonna come back to y'all like once my food and stuff here because I do not want the SD card to come run out. So I hope y'all can hear me. I really do.
All the girls. I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. That's all I need. We in Miami turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but she smelling
like a rat. Got me the pennies tryna get out in a crack. Friends are my friends and they tryna get gas. Her name is Angel, but she's far from God. Say they don't pay well to fall in love. Must be the start.
We made it to Top Golf.
Just use the golf thing. Use that to swipe it around over.
Should I stay? Till I'm in the grave. Till I rot away, dead and buried. Till I'm in the casket you carry. You go, I'm going too. 'Cause it was always you. And if I'm burning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I would.
Say hey y'all, I'm back from school. As y'all seen in the last clip, I went and got my hair done this morning. Let me give y'all a rundown on what happened with my hair. So initially I was supposed to get my hair done yesterday morning at like 8:30 in the morning. So I got up early, everything. And the hairstylist's car was not there, so my mom texted her. And she like waited like 5-10 minutes to text back. And she texted back, it was like, oh, she overslept. So we just ended up canceling an appointment and getting my hair done today. And then I went to school from there. But I realized I never showed y'all my purse, and I really want to show y'all my purse. So let me go ahead and show y'all my purse. So this is my purse. It's from Coach. This is how it looks. This purse is so cute. Hold on, let me turn on my vanity light. Oh, I lied. But this is the purse. It's the Nolita 19 Coach. I wouldn't say I've been wanting this for a long time, but I've been wanting this for a little couple weeks. And I wanted to show y'all how it looked, because I never really showed y'all like how it looked. But this is the purse. Really, really cute. Really classy, really cute. And I'm going to be wearing this tomorrow to school. But I do want to end this video off here. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on y'all post notification bell so y'all notified every time I post a video. Bye, J babies.